Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. So this is just a quick follow-up video regarding the problem I had in the last one, trying to get the car to recognise the thumb drive that I was using for Sentry and dashcam. So long story short, in case you missed it, I have been through two of these in this car. The first one I got, it lasted a few times, but what I found was after removing it a couple of times, it just stopped working, and I could not get the car to recognize it. So I ordered another one and plugged it in, and lo and behold, it started working again. Not the micro SD. The micro SD is fine, but the USB thing, this is what I ordered twice. The thing that got me confused though is that this thumb drive works on my computer, all my computers. So why the car won't recognize it anymore, I don't know. But it did work before, so I don't understand why it's suddenly become an issue. It's like it's decided to reject it and recorded that it's rejected it. And every time I plug it in, even if I go back to the old one, it doesn't like it. So I have ordered a completely new brand one today, and it's this little tiny thing here. Sorry about the light, it's quite bright in here. The sun's on me. It's an integral 128 gigabyte thumb drive. This was recommended to me on the Model 3 UK Facebook group, so if you're not a member of that, go and have a look at it now. And this tiny little thing, I've formatted it with the MS-DOS FAT format, and I have also put the Tesla Cam folder on it as well. So we're now going to find out if this works. So currently, there you go, just for your information. You can see there's no the Sentry mode icon is off, and there's no dash cam icon. So I'm going to plug this in now into the Taptez drive thing, because this was the whole thing that sparked this, because I got this little device and I thought it wasn't working correctly. So I believe that's all the way in now. Wait a few seconds, and there it is, it's working. There we go. So that seems to solve my problem for now, but I'm a bit nervous about taking that thing out, because from my experience, taking these things out after a couple of times, it just seems to reject it. But that could be just down to this particular device. I have looked in here, and although you probably can't see it now, I can try and show you actually. Give me 1 second. The right hand side, there's a pin that looks not straight and uniform like the other ones at the back. That is what it's sort of, I can't do it one-handed, but yeah, it's sort of over this side, over here. Can you see it? That was like that, and I was wondering if that's meant to be like that, but it still works, and that is for the micro SD bit anyway. So yeah, I don't really know why, but I really wanted that to work because that was an endurance one, so it's a decent memory card, but it's just not going to have it. So I've had to order this little thumb drive, so hopefully that will work now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated with that. I'll have to actually do some driving, but obviously I'm not driving at the moment because of the lockdown. My fans are just kicking because it's so warm in here. This is the one thing I've noticed about this car, is it gets really, really hot without the aircon on. But I'll keep you updated anyway with regard... Oh, I'm going to turn this off. Silence is so powerful. There we go. I'll keep you updated with that. If it does start to break down again, I'll let you know, and I'll keep you posted with any updates regarding that, because yeah, who knows what's going to happen in the future. That could stop working again after I move it a couple of times. But obviously I need to do some driving first before I can actually start taking the dash cam footage out and viewing it, plug it back in, see what happens there. But yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you next one. If you've got any questions, pop them down in the comments below. Don't forget though, if you are looking to buy a Model 3, make sure, or any Tesla actually, make sure you use a referral code. If you don't have one, mine's in the description below. We're also sponsored by Model 3 Parts. They're going to do some giveaways soon as well, so it sounds like they're going to send me some stuff. Keep an eye on the channel, but I have got some stuff to give away of my own, but I'm just waiting for the lockdown to finish so I can actually get to a post office and post them. I've already got one prize to send away anyway. Anyway, guys, you've been awesome. Thanks very much. I'm going to leave it there. Keep it nice and short, this one. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Take care till next time.